Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be using this and hooking it up with this camera right over here and plugging it using Ethernet. So first we're going to cut up a broken connector that's over here, and there's still partial broken connector, but this one's moderately nope, never mind, all gone. So we're going to open this and just stick that there for now. And here's our power supply. And then, there we go, finally. Now we get that. Now each of these twisted pairs, there's only 4. Oh, well then, I did not know that. Well then, based on this, is that manual? No, we'll figure it out. Just skin off these wires, and then skin. Oops. Guess I did that one a little too hard. Here we go. Now we just twist up our pairs. I did not know that this was only 4 conductor. So I think orange and white orange is channel 1. Oh, I did that wrong. Oops. This is the adapter I wanted. Okay, so Ethernet to RCA. Plug that in. And if this is correct for channel 2, 1, we'll find out in a minute. Let's see, channel 1. And that's on. Okay, oh, you can see the infrared on it. So this is a good outdoor camera. So now we're going to move this aside. Move these tools out. And pull out the big TV. This on. Good old RCA. Something isn't right. So I plugged it into this. Then I'm plugging this into the TV. Well, this doesn't make sense. Ooh. Hey. It actually works. Look at that camception. So now, that's how that works. All you do is plug your camera in, make sure you line up all your cables correctly, plug it into here, plug your camera into one of the channels, or 4 cameras into 4 channels, plug it into a little adapter like this, or another one of these that can go into one of these with your adapter, and there you go. That's how this 4-channel video balloon works. And this is on a 6-foot wire. I'm going to take this off and we're going to put it on 100. Oh, look, this one has all the pins to it. So this should make my job a little bit easier. So 1 cable sacrificed to work. Now we're going to sacrifice another cable. Again, this one has all the broken clip on it, so no worry there. Should have been a 10-minute video. It's taking forever. Okay, so as long as the colors line up properly, these should work. This really does not want to sit well. Okay, there. I think I got it. Alright. So now we're going to try this again with a 100-footer. Good old 100-foot. We'll plug this in. And we'll plug this in. Now we're gonna see. Ooh. Hey. And with 100-foot, it's not too bad. There we go. Now we know. So this works nicely and perfectly for your camera setup. You ever want to do it yourself home CCTV? This is the way to go cheaply without the IP cameras and everything. This is just basic pass-through 4-channel quad. And thank you very much. See you next time.